Hello viewers, in this session we will discuss how to find the square of a number within 2 seconds. Okay, just in 2 seconds how to calculate the square of a number. Okay, but provided this particular method is applicable for the numbers ranging from 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100. Anyhow, you might be knowing the squares of numbers from 1 to 20 or 1 to 30. Okay, but beyond those numbers you may have to calculate all the time. Okay, so in order to calculate the square of a number, it consumes much time, right? But there is a simple method using which you can calculate it just within 2 seconds. Now let us look into the approach. So here let me solve directly how to do this. Okay, let me take the first example, that is square of 46. Okay, so square of 46, how to do that in the sense, okay, so individually you just write the squares of the digits in that number. Okay, 4 square is how much? 16, right? And 6 square, 6 6 are 36, right? So 36. Now what you do is you just multiply these two numbers and also this. Okay, 4 into 6, 24 into the power 2, right? So you have to multiply it with 2 again. Okay, 4 into 6 into 2, 4 into 6, 24 into 2, 48. Okay, and whatever the product that you get here, that you have to write here. Okay, so 48 by leaving an empty space at the units place. Okay, so like this you have to write, and you just have to add so that you will get the answer. Okay, so just after adding it will be 6, 8 plus 3, 11. So you have to write only 1 here and 1 carries. 6 plus 4 plus 1, 11 again. 1 you have to write here and 1 carries. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so 2116. Okay, 2116 will be the square of 46. Okay, this is how simply you can solve this. Okay, so this will be 2116. Okay, so now let us see the second example, that is 53 square. Okay, so straight away you just square the digits in that number. 5 square is how much? 25. 3 square is how much? 9, right? But you have to write it as 0, 9. Okay, 0, 9. And now 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 2, 30. Okay, leave one space here and you have to write 30 here. Just by adding you will get the answer. 0 and this is 8, this is 2. Okay, so this is 2809. Okay, like that, very simply, just in 2 seconds you can do this. Okay, so let us solve for the third example. So 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, 6 4s are 24 into 2, 48, right? So 48. So just you have to add it. 6 plus 4, 10, and this is 4. 4096, 4096. Okay, so like that, simply you can do this. Okay, now again for 7 squares are 7 into 7, 49, and 8 into 8, 64. And just leave the units place here. 7 into 8, 56, right? 56 into 2, 56 into 2, that is 112, 112, right? So you have to write it here straight away. Okay, so just adding 4, 6 to 8, this is 10, 5, 6, 6084. 6084 is the square of 78. Okay, now for this, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. Okay, 8 into 9 into 2. Okay, 8 9s are 72, 72 into 2. Okay, that will be 144, right? 144. Now you have to add it. 8 4 12, 1 carries. 4 4 8 9, this is 7, 7 9 2 1, 7,921. Okay, so this is how very simply just in 2 seconds you can calculate any square, okay, ranging between 1 to 100. Okay, so this is a very simple method. Just you can remember this and you can apply or you can use in your exam to save your time. Okay.